This hairspray could be the game changer your hair has been waiting for. If you're struggling with slow growth, thinning, or breakage, this powerful DIY mix will transform your hair in just weeks. Keep watching to learn how to make this magic hairspray at home. Moringa is packed with vitamins A, C, and E. It nourishes the scalp, strengthens the hair follicles, and promotes faster hair growth. Cloves are rich in antioxidants. They help fight dandruff, reduce scalp infections, and improve overall hair health. Rosemary is known for stimulating blood circulation in the scalp. It helps in reducing hair thinning and boosting hair growth. Hibiscus is a powerhouse when it comes to hair. It strengthens the hair shaft, preventing breakage, and adds shine. Star Anise is a spice that has antimicrobial properties that keep the scalp healthy and clean while also improving blood flow to the hair roots. When these powerful herbs are combined, the results are nothing short of a game changer for your hair. From boosting hair growth to strengthening strands and preventing breakage. This combination will take your hair to the next level.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around